Bob Marley is a legendary reggae artist, an inspiration, a freedom fighter, and also now a restaurateur. With his unique voice and one-of-a-kind melodies, Bob Marley set a blaze to the world stage, bringing Jamaica on the map, uniting many and offering a voice for those who need it. We are sitting down in Pimento Grill. This is inside the Montego Bay Airport, and what they have is Bob Marley's own personal restaurant that the family, the Queen herself, the Empress Rita Marley, her daughter Sidel, all of them have come together to design the menu, design the concept, design the layout of the place, and it's simply fabulous. When you walk in, you're greeted by that smell of authentic jerk. You smell the pimento and stuff like that, which is quite frankly amazing. You don't come to an airport expecting to smell that taste of Jamaica that you normally get. Usually in the airport you get fast food that's just ready, prepared, easily to hand out. Today, this that I'm smelling and what the chef has told me is something really unique, something amazing, and I can't wait to try it because it smells absolutely magnificent. Chef Dwayne Bell here at Bob Marley Pimento Grill. How are you doing?
Wonderful.
Thank you for having me.
Living the dream. It's amazing.
What you helped to create this menu? What do you recommend on the menu?
Recommend the pimento chicken. It's basically, all the fundamentals of what jerk chicken should be in a modern way.
Oh yeah, so it has a little twist on it that
yes,
you guys put your own special bread.
Marinated, smoked slowly, then finished on our very unique jade grill.
Oh, I need to see that grill then.
So it's very nice, yeah.
All right, thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Welcome to Bob Marley One Love Restaurant. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Good.
My name is Nikhil and I'm going to serve my cashier for today.
All right.
Alright.
What do you recommend?
Jerk chicken.
Jerk.
Jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken?
Those are really good.
Hold on, you can't fool me up so to go on a plane, man. All right, let me go through the menu and then I'll check and see. What kind of juices you have?
You want a cocktail? You have
Not really want a cocktail. That looks simply amazing, Chef. Thank you. Wow.
This is our big cheeseburger.
Absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much. Much appreciated, Chef. I'm going to start with this burger. It's just ginormous. It's an absolute massive piece. Look at that. That's just unbelievable. So you have the burger, what looks to be like escovitch, onions or sauce there. And what I love about it, it's served on a piece of banana leaf underneath with some seasoned fries as well. But it looks, I think this might be the first time reviewing a burger. But the cheese is melting. It looks absolutely well done. So, fries, I said there's gooey sauce that they brought with it. Where's that gooey sauce? The whole sauce that's on the burger. Let's see if we can check what is in this. Oh, there's spice. You're getting spice off the back. But this is ginormous. Wow. Oh my God, no, we need this. This can't locked up in here. We need this outside. This burger. I'm getting seasoning. I'm getting flavor from the beef. Cooked really well. Not overcooked. Not dry. The cheese is gooey. It's nice. And that sauce, this sauce right here, the gooey sauce that them say, adds a nice flavor. I need to try that. I forgot. Mayonnaise based, but wow, fantastic flavors with spices in there. Really good, really unique. Bob Marley, I go on with that thing. I don't even catch up for this burger. The way it's so juicy in there. Like in there is really hitting the spot. That packs a lot of punch. The vegetables are crisp. The beef is flavored. I really like this. This probably might be my favorite burger in Jamaica. Like way better than the fast food joints that you might try, but dripping with that sauce. Wow, this is the star of the show, the jerk chick, the pimento chicken with rice and peas. The plating looks fantastic. Oh, that is perfect, right up my alley. Right up my alley.
Not gonna see that coleslaw.
Wow. This is a monster of a meal. I mean, to board a flight after eating this is going to be, boy, I'm gonna sleep. So I'm going to throw right down into this now. The rice and peas looks absolutely well done. It's nice and flaky. There's a slaw. There's different jerk marinades, jerk sauces that come with it, and a grilled pineapple for added sweetness when you add into that. Tearing through the fork, I can't even wait to unwrap. This is one of the major things now to have jerk chicken here. It looks amazing. The color is phenomenal. And let's say, wow, look at the juice in there. It's seasoned inside. Can you see that? It's seasoned right on the inside of that. So their seasoning has gone right down into it. That's what you're looking for in jerk chicken. Oh, look at that. The bone pull right out and the steam coming off of it. Shut the front door. You don't expect that. You do not expect that. That type of flavor. Wow. You don't expect that in airports. No way do I expect that type of flavor coming out of somewhere in an airport. With a name like Bob Marley, the legend, you have to do legendary stuff. And this is just phenomenal. Look at how it just falls apart.
The chicken is seasoned, brined, and then placed on the grill to add that char and that special hint of flavor that you're looking for in jerk.
It's a dipping contest all around with these sauces. One over here, let's see what that is. It's a sweet one. Oh, it's ketchup. Oh my gosh, even more. Hold on, man.
We're gonna put all of this.
You watch and see. There's more. There's curry goat coming. But this, you don't expect to get chicken like this in an airport.
Thank you.
This is
Smoky and nice.
beautiful. Pimento coming out like perfect. One man, smoky and nice. Sell them. Let's try this brown one now. That have a little kick. It's moist, it's flavorful. It has that jerk, that authentic jerk flavor. You get in pimento, you get in a little bit of smokiness, not overpowering like you would when you have it on the charcoal. But it's moist and cooked perfectly. The back, the crust, the seasoning is marinated really well and lathered with that jerk seasoning in it. Really going well. Then you have the slaw and the rice and peas to pair it with. The pimento flavor is so pronounced, so, which is why they call it pimento chicken, obviously. But the pimento flavor takes that to a whole new level of taste and authenticity with it. If you look at it, the crust on it, there is just crust and bark falling off of that chicken. There's a more bark and you can even bite. Pimento smoke flavor is second to none. Soak down some. There we go with it. That one, that orange one is my favorite. A lot more acidity than the rest. Try some of that salt, cause one sec. Almost like a hint of mango in there. Very nice, fresh. A little cilantro, bring up the flavor. And the rice and peas itself. Didn't expect that either. Oh. Wow. Really good rice and peas as well. Oh man, yes, I smell the curry coming off of that already.
some
Wow.
pickle on the side, some island rice.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Diving into this curry goat, the gravy, and I'm looking to see where I can find to tell you that is mutton, and I can't find that. Butter, it melts away, literally melts away in your mouth. Wow. One thing I wouldn't expect, which I'm so proud of, my Jamaican people, spicing of the curry in the airport. It's not very high, it's not overpowering, but there's a nice heat there that just really flutters so well with curry goat. Once you cook in curry, I say it all the time, you need heat. And the white rice, you just want to drown that white rice on top of it. Oh, wow, geez, I'm so surprised, I'm so surreal to find this type of food in the airport in Montego Bay. Spectacular. Alright, it is mutton, but it doesn't have that oily consistency that you would get usually that you see. It's cooked very well, very soft, and heightened flavor. The curry is cooked real nice. And you salt that up with some of the rice, and it really does pair spectacular. So it's cooked down, and you see the onions in there, you see the carrots, you have potato as well, so you're getting a nice variety of curry within the curry goat itself. Side wings.
So we have the jerk wings, dry rub, and then our buffalo.
So a dry rub, you have the jerk, you have the buffalo with a ranch scotch bonnet, which I'm really interested to taste. This is a dry rub wing, and that dry rub will go with that ranch, and then let's see what we can get this one. That dry rub is spectacular. You're getting seasoning on everything. That's what I can't, bro. Everything so far has been seasoned and pulled. This one as well. So we're looking if it's the same sauce in that wing that you had before. You had that in the jerk chicken. Now we're having it on the jerk wing. Oh, there's a sweetness, there's a flavor, there's a taste, and there is heat. You have to lick your fingers after that. Everything is seasoned perfectly well. Everything has that flavor, has that heat. You're getting real Jamaican food inside right before you leave. And it's so sad because it's better than a whole heap of place outside. One thing left to try is a buffalo. And honestly, after those, this can be, I mean, drooling off of the wing. The tanginess of buffalo sauce. This one doesn't have as much heat, but the tanginess you cool down with the ranch. That was blue cheese. Not really a fan of blue cheese, but that's not bad. Pairs perfectly, but back to this one. This is the, look at that wing. I still have my flight to check. Heading up to Miami for Miami Jerk Fest, and Bob Marley is coming with flavor. That's one love right there. I'm gonna taste the love in everything. And the heat is definitely there. Spectacular. Total brain freeze. I haven't had that in years. Brain freeze. So guys, this has been the Bob Marley experience, is what I would call it, in the airport. It's spectacular. The food is amazing. The staff is friendly. And praise to the Lord, and there will nothing.